today's video, we will be sharing with this delicious bacon-wrapped pesto chicken recipe. Welcome to Tasty Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 chicken breasts, bacon, basil pesto, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. In each of our chicken breasts, we have these slices that cut halfway through. Season the chicken on both sides with the salt and the pepper. In each of the cuts that we have in our chicken breast, we're going to add the basil pesto. Transfer this to a plate so we can prepare the bacon. We're going to lay down strips of bacon overlapping each other so that we create the same width as the chicken breast. We're going to place the chicken breast near one end of the bacon, and then we're going to roll it tightly. Place this into a baking pan. Bake this in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Our bacon wrapped pesto chicken recipe is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.